you doing? Karibu sana to my channel Koki's Kitchen. My name is Faith and here is a channel where we make various African delicacies at a budget-friendly account. It happens this is the first time, you are at the right place because my end goal is to make all of us better cooks at the comfort of our homes. And because of that, guys, today we are making kamande. In English, they are known as lentils. Please, guys, feel so free to give me your feedback when you try my recipes. I feel nice to know that you guys actually engage in what I do. So right away, with no more further ado, let's get into the ingredients. Woo! So right away, let's introduce our ingredients. With me here, I have chopped 1 large onions. Then with me here, I have the boiled kamande. For me, I just buy my kamande and boil them. Then we shall need salt. Then I have grated 2 large tomatoes. I have some coriander, dhania. I will be needing 1 cup of milk. This is just my extra way of spicing it up. Then I'm also going to be using peanut butter. Then I'll be using beef cube kama kawaida, and we have our tomato paste over here. So right away, let's get started. I'm using milk because I could not get the coconut milk or the cream, so this is just your go-to if you don't have either of those. The first step, we are going to add our cooking oil. Then I'm going to add in my onions and cook them until they are translucent. So the next thing, guys, we are going to add in our tomatoes. Then followed in by tomato paste, roughly 1 tablespoon. That's enough. I have always told you that the tomato paste will help you get a thick paste and also give a nice color to your food. As you can see, it looks nice already. Then add in 1 beef cube. You can also use curry powder. It's nice. Followed in by salt. That's enough. This looks nice already. And the next thing, guys, we are going to add in our lentils, our kamande. Wow, I love this already. This looks promising, right? Just give it a nice mix. So at this point, guys, we are going to add in our milk. Remember, I have told you, you should not be worried that you don't have coconut cream or you don't have coconut milk. Your milk can always work so nice for you, and you are going to see the results. We have added in some milk. And next, I love to also add some peanut butter. So I'm going to add a scoop of peanut butter over here and give this a nice mix and let this cook. Oh God, this is going to be sweet. The whole house here is smelling. And guys, let's finally check on our food. God, looks amazing. Look at that, guys. You see how the soup is so thick? And our kamande is ready. And just like that, you get to enjoy your kamande. For me, for today, I'll be serving my kamande with some rice. Guys, over here. Looks amazing. I know Melna. I wish you guys were all here, but you cannot. But that's why I brought the recipe to you guys. I hope you're going to enjoy the recipe. And definitely try. Give me your feedback, and maybe you can also share what you add in your kamande. Yeah, but if you get time to cook chapati, please do, because kamande with chapati, oh God. Anyways, till next time, from me to you guys, bye bye.